Igbo ndị mana ike taking up one. I can no the Tiger Base. This our brother no here who share a first class information about the things name Tiger Base. What say first class information from the right source, from the victim, body from the witness. From the witness. A lot of people now say, getting the Tiger Base, getting Kekameji, Melahanka, why he plays an apayon, only Yoruba na pioneer and nearby. Ejogum stations, source of one station can meet Ilonyiwo, Okoya Bagotenia, na this Lagos. And that's police station day, side day, CMS. That's the only place on Fuloni by Okoya Bagote. I think after that person the coach or car also. So say back and follow no Bagote. The rest when the Yoruba na pioneer the movement. That is one Jimmy video last time when I soon Igbo. Avoid Iyobona Yemeka Gina onye Yoruba nwe problem jewe police station. Morgan onye mbozo nwe problem jewe police station. And they make sure na gina onye Igbo nwanne gina emeko ihe. Avoid police station if possible. As in the if possible. Unless you try you go every means possible onye hazarogi. That is when you now engage the law. Because I have seen first class wickedness. I have seen what these people can do. This is exactly how Imo'S state today. Tiger Base everywhere, Tiger Base everywhere. This Tiger Base is it not a high time? They are gradually turning in form of abattoir. That is exactly how actually turn to a demigod. A people no longer have that. No, you cannot do anything and you cannot say anything. How about money to you? And somebody and ask his name and a Tiger Base now asking an achievement can neighboring watching an amen cause. You believe that now all these things be do resurface when we went 2 days ago my video saying how all of a sudden can videos abandon morgue, abandoning her, abandoning car imago video potaba all of a sudden. Ebi ya no man and that will go and Jenny interview Hamelo and one has an hajide. Go and watch the interview. People give first class witnesses against these people and the humanization and how horrible and that place. This guy Kuloko said somebody man on a station all radio signal anywhere no will remain at Hanoria. It takes the intervention of one policeman being on Yoruba as well. But yes, now this guy on a cell one. Now the guy attacked na job na for that place or no. Is it not a high time government to put as a that Tiger Base? Hope Uzodinma, Governor of Imo'S State. I don't know no special treatment and there. It's time has come for them to remove everybody in that Tiger Base. Just share police no the phone. From begin had 100 see what pussy a hand chanin within the phone or una lower separate station. I need do Sandoban and the Tiger Base jide. Because number one, they are not accountable. Number two, they are not reliable. Number three, they are a bunch of liars. And number four, Hanchani Aka had a stain with blood, and 80 to 90% of them Aka had a stain with blood. Aka had a stain with blood. And then in this video,
I know Bena say shut down Tiger Base, disband Tiger Base. For some of you who don't know, Tiger Base is the anti-kidnapping unit of the Imo'S State Police Command. And about a shot down Tiger Base, man, in the never in advance. Or some police officers in front of them. Some of them individually. Because I'm going to man on Imo, and many of you. I'm going to dish chocolate among you. But I'm going to care because now government will elect for 7 being change her uniform. I believe one hand when the power to kill a man. How could any here happen to get one dark or chaggy mengo? Give one dark or chaggy get her. Because he believe in them what he had men. If one of Prawan Jikia, a gang of Gutiana Mini, a Gutiano. Ali Bochurona, Allah Nigeria Chiron. Gaga Jirajina, many of you get G as a many of you joke around and one new. I'm not laying a curse on you. I'm telling you what is about to happen, what will happen. Ali will try to teach you and show you the pains many people have passed through in your hands as an individual, as a police officer. Many of you, because you want to extort them. And then go to shut down Tiger Base. Me personally, they should not shut down Tiger Base. Get Lancy. No man who ocean or Werenga. Give transfer to Lagos. Out of ocean Lagos. On your shame baptism with ocean. Now I change the uniform. Whereas now Monyoshi doesn't make me on your ocean. I link him in the SAS. SAS said this band, we are then not reallocated or reposted into other units. Only men who go news. Gwego Kunishi. May work bug allegation. She appear from unit on or another unit. For me, I believe what Tiger business is serious monitoring and oversight. They lack oversight there. I get myself disband how much people can show or Mugeri. After all, I'm no guy not Ashimania bedroom na comment to say talk shut down Tiger Base, this one. Almost of you which are the kidnappers similar from Tiger Base. Also, when the kidnappers and then went to kidnapping squad. On the town of home on a kidnapping. For the kidnappers, I said, I want some hackers on him. If you got Ashanya some shut down Tiger Base, you should perform a Kakwaganya. Most of you which are kidnappers in Doshi. Tiger Base is flourishing today. Most of you now patangwa with allegation on the boom none. Iba alankate, get deputation. When I go with non command, when I go with all hotis, simply because none na doala. Case dinner one, you give Buru, shakely, gangwa get deputation as you go on Yoshi. What can get deputation? Chegana kandamba. That doesn't give a damn about you people. Ha patangwa, how is it to get out? Unclankabahiashi, deputation get some shot down Tiger Base. I love the shot to pack down. On the beach, shot down Tiger Base. Also, I wouldn't put a rally and they became again from Tiger Base. Man, does that mean that Tiger Base needs the reform? It needs reform. Myself, how the prodigal sons of police, Imo'S police command, because most times, what they know quick hand. How did you let them go? I want to work H. I gonna control the radio, the whole unit, including Tiger Base. Has negative, how there. But when I confronted the police officer when Yoruba, he helped me. Bagadia, yeah, the guy in Nigeria, and I said, one. That's now that guy at Tanyana Job now. Even Motia Parker there, but they denied they didn't see him. And he drove a sight. In fact, that was saying a new police cell. Tiger Base gonna him in the ham and arrest so that the commissioner of police and his monitoring team will be aware of when they had detained. Ebuka who make caution to call actually Tiger Base so that should anything happen, they will be held accountable. You know, there are some short all of you individually police officers. Many of you on the Gatakutia concrete, many of you will die before one about on the day because most of you have ended the source of Ihoma to some families because of your greed, because of your intention to extort. For the Nimon on a sonanda name be him when a cabin be about from no police. On Bagram Parafana, Lafaneku, Nanya Nakagu Bobana, ni Bobana, innocent blood, no Naka. And none the guy, you are not having peace. You're not having any peace. You question that now. Oh, a police officer. Back in the days, those on a tactical team. Now, how do I name? Gisha hook in her how bag away. But work see her game in a camera. Shoot, have fire. Even give us some how work self, whatever children are chef. Not how under that weekend, not a weekend babu. Today, not the man. You know, Kurash, I want this my baby Biafra. Oh, you devastate. You have no luggage going with a boom. On boy, I matter no one police because I found you couldn't get and that na I found one dish. The man no kuna no who alani or that ya we hear metre that party take get to us a police officer. Gajiran to take again lanya. Go and look on the check history. Many people. So no drill on my him. Gale each and one peanut in with again. By me we get the man now where he get. I'm not laying cause on you, but to some of you, I got run number. For some of you police officers, on a guy can win. Ndi ragada who's that one? On a con one the gun on you want to bog nine. I phone call no one to get on. Yeah, I can cast me to run. I can't come on and ask me for telling. Can only last me yard had a little ton naka chapel or kanaka. You want to make no watch the agaje alone. Man, I'm gonna. Snow me woman a police, man, and damn, I'm going to hear some of them. He get man, no be new. Or would the cow wouldn't have looked at them going here, go here again, man. What them could all talk about Tiger Base? na money change uniform, I would not change it. It needs monitoring, it needs oversight. So that at least and accountability. I want to go ham no. For don't on a comment, I worry. Oh, when you're have some grabby. Oh, most of you been kidnapping in Imo State. On the channel, mega government. Don't go what can dumba, which and dish there. On a put on a allegation boom none. Wouldn't show her no. I let him my wood in this, even go with that action measure. It's your for a bash cornish.